I'm here today with a video all about hair. This is going to be a partnership with Phyto, and I am so excited because I have tried some of their products in the past, but they just came out with a new line that is natural and it also helps keep your hair from fading. Now, I used to have red hair and I got a lot of questions about how to keep it from fading. Now I have changed to blonde, like a blonde ombre balayage situation here. And you spend a lot of money going to the salon. The last thing you want is for your hair to fade, the color to fade, for it to lose that really pretty luster and shine that you get when you first leave the hair salon. So they came out with a whole line of products especially targeted towards anti-fading and keeping that shine and luster in your hair. So I'm going to talk to you really quick about a few of the products, and you can purchase these at Ulta or on the Phyto website. And so this line is called, I'm going to try not to butcher it, Phyto Melissime. Phyto Melissime. I'm pretty sure that is how you say it. It contains a color locking complex that basically creates a barrier around your hair and keeps the pigment in, so it's not fading and running every time you wash your hair, which I think is great because nothing is more frustrating than spending all that money to get your hair dyed and then just having it all, going down the drain, because it's happened to me. It happened to me with my red hair. I wish I had this line out and available when I had red hair because it was really hard to keep that pigment in. And so the really great thing about this is now you're not having your hair fade, it's not losing its luster, it's staying nice and shiny. Also have an ingredient called the Red Love Extract, which is an antioxidant that really helps strengthen the hair and keep the pigment within the hair and prevents it from fading. The first product you would use is this little baby here. This is the Color Locker Pre-Shampooing. So basically what you would do is it's a gel to oil type consistency, and you're gonna put this from root to tip all over your hair prior to shampooing. So with the pre-shampoo, it says that the gel smooths down the scales of the hair, the oil strengthens the natural protective film, and they form a cosmetic mesh that traps the leakage of pigments when washing the hair. So I definitely agree with that. It's going to help keep that color from coming out of your hair. You're going to coat this, leave this on your hair for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it out, and then you're gonna go in with your shampoo. And then you're gonna move to step 2, which is the shampoo. This is the color enhancing shampoo. This is going to be the anti-fading shampoo, so it's not going to strip the color out of your hair. A lot of shampoos, especially if you go for the drugstore ones, I know because I'm guilty of it, you will, especially if you have red hair, you will just see the color just fade out. Every time you wash your hair, you'll just see more and more of that color fading down the drain. So this product has elderweiss extract, and it's known for its antioxidant properties to soften and smooth the hair. It also has the Red Love apple extract. It also has the apple fruit, the blossom extract, and the hibiscus extract to smooth the scales of the hair, giving it the glossy radiance. It is also sulfate free, and it just leaves your hair very silky and shiny. I really like that. I also love that these products don't weigh my hair down because I already have kind of like limp hair anyways. I have fine hair, but I have a lot of it and it can get really, really limp. So using all of these products does not weigh my hair down. It doesn't make my roots greasy. It is keeping my hair nice and shiny and preventing it from fading. And this is 3rd day wash hair. I've never been able to go 3 days without washing my hair. So you can still see, look how much shine is still in my hair after 3 days. That like never happens. I usually have oily hair, and then when I use dry shampoo, it dries the crap out of my hair. But look at how like my hair still has shine. I just really, really love it. Next, we're gonna move into the mask. This is the color treated highlighted hair mask. So again, you can use this whether you have color treated hair, like your whole hair is red like mine was, or brown or black, or you have highlighted hair like I do, especially if you're bleaching your hair. It is very damaging. You need to repair that. This is gonna be the great mask to do that. It is very thick, it's very hydrating. I use this from about mid-shaft down. I don't put this in my roots, so mid-shaft down, and it's going to really hydrate and condition those ends. This also has the Red Love apple extract. The other extracts I mentioned, the hibiscus, but it also has argan butter in it, and it helps repair and nourish the fibers of the hair. Again, you just need the teeniest amount. I don't have super long hair, so I don't need a lot of product, and it really does hydrate and condition the ends. When you bleach your hair, it really can take a toll on your hair, and as you can see, my hair just looks really good. Again, we're on day 3, and and it's not dry. It doesn't look frizzy. It's just really, really hydrated and silky feeling, and it has a lot of shine, and my curl is holding like crazy, which is awesome. I'm not gonna use this mask every single time. I only use it maybe once a week, but then this is what I use every time I get out of the shower. This is the Color Protecting Mist, and I use this as a detangler, as a leave-in conditioner. I just spritz it all over my hair. It makes brushing my hair, combing through my hair a breeze. It keeps my hair from being frizzy because I do have naturally frizzy hair. Regardless of whether I bleach it or dye it, I have naturally frizzy hair. So this keeps my hair shiny, frizz-free, and just really helps make it a lot easier to brush through my hair. Great to help you just break up any tangles and really help leave your hair smooth, anti-frizz, and shiny when you go to blow dry it. These are really great. They have good ingredients. They're sulfate free. They have a ton of like natural extracts in it that are really good for your hair. It also helps keep your hair shiny, and it keeps that color from fading and going down your drain, because nothing's more irritating than leaving the salon having gorgeous, vibrant, shiny hair, and then you go home and wash it with your normal shampoo and conditioner, and you're just like, it's bleeding out color. I know this from being a redhead for 4 years. There's a lot of products that just bleed out the color. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you want to pick up any of these products, you can get them at Ulta. I will leave all the links down below. And if you've tried them, let me know your thoughts. If you've tried this brand, also tell me what are some of your favorite products from Phyto Paris, because I just think that this, I love the packaging of this, and I love how it makes my hair just so soft and shiny and vibrant. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.